How to set up parental control on your iPhone. Let's get started. For that, first of all, simply open up Settings application in your mobile device, and just like that, scroll below, tap on Screen Time. Inside Screen Time, you can simply scroll below again, then tap on Lock Screen Time Settings. This step is important because it prevents these settings from being changed later. So, create a Screen Time passcode you will remember, and you may also be asked to enter your Apple ID to complete the setup. So once the password is set, you can simply tap on Content and Privacy Restriction and then turn it on. Now you can control what can and what cannot be done on your iPhone. At the very top, you will see options like iTunes and App Store purchases, allowed app and feature, and content restriction. For example, if you don't want apps to be installed, you can simply tap on App Store purchases, and inside here, set installing apps to don't allow. You can also prevent apps from being deleted and adjust many other things. Now you can simply scroll down to Privacy, and here you can control what changes are allowed and fully customize the device based on your needs. When you exit the settings, parental controls are active. If someone tries to get back into your screen time and change anything, Screen Time Passcode will be required. Without that passcode, these settings cannot be changed. That is how you can set up a parental control on your iPhone. You can even return at any time to customize settings further. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.